Guys, this is Shaptorshi. In this video, I will show you a super simple Streamlit app that I have created using some Python library and packages. It is called a file-based graph generator. Okay. The main objective of this app is to help you to create a professional looking data visualization charts instantly without writing a single line of code, even if you are not familiar with Excel charts or Power BI charts. All you need to do is upload your CSV or Excel file just from here and pick what you want on your x-axis and y-axis, and then the app will automatically generate interactive charts for you using some Python libraries. If you ever wished you could turn your raw data into beautiful graphs, but you don't want to spend hours in formatting Excel charts, this app is just made for you. I will show this is the app, the web application interface, user interface. At the top we have the file based. This is the title of my app. Once a minute, yeah. Below that you will find the file uploader. From here you can upload your Excel file or CSV file. First let us upload the file. Yes, this is my sales data. Once you upload your file, the app automatically reads the data and display the preview of the top 5, or not the top 5 but the first 5 records from the data. You can see all the features of the table here, like the date, transaction ID, customer ID, product category, product name, and etc. Okay. After that you can select what kind of chart you want to create. For now I have prepared the bar chart, horizontal bar chart, line chart, scatter, and pie chart. Later I have planned to include the box plot also. Okay. Now suppose we are looking for the line chart. Whatever you want to choose. Then suppose in the x-axis I am choosing the month, and in the y-axis I am choosing the sales, and click on the generate chart. Now you can see the chart. You can see this chart. Your chart appears in the app instantly. You can zoom or interact with it just like the professional dashboard tools. Okay. Now this is our app, and I have demonstrated the details about this app in my GitHub repository. You can see we can also create the pie charts like this. We can also create the bar charts, line charts, that's like this. Okay. Behind this, first I need to explain the code which is running behind this app. Okay, let me quickly walk you through the how this app actually works behind the scenes. So my code is, yes, this is my code. Here Streamlit, I have used the Streamlit. This is for building the UI of my app, and later I used pandas for reading and manipulating the uploaded data, and then I used Plotly Express for generating interactive charts. Then I set the app title using st.title. Next come to the file uploader using the st.file underscore uploader. This allows the user to upload either a CSV or an Excel file, and depending on the file type we use the pandas functions pd.read CSV or pd.read Excel to read the data. We display the top few rows using the df.head so the user can preview their dataset in the app. Only the top 5. If you want to show the top 10, you can also write n equals to 10 here, but for simplicity we just kept by default that the first 5 records. After that I have added Streamlit drop down using the st select box. That one select the chart type, another to pick the x-axis column, and one for y-axis. Okay, now comes to the important part, generating the chart. Generating the chart button. When the user clicks the button, the app automatically groups and sums the data based on the selected x-axis. Okay, and you can ask that why we need to do this. Because if your data has multiple rows with the same category name, grouping ensures you get one combined bar chart instead of multiple segment in one single. Okay, giving you a clean and meaningful visuals. Once grouped, we use Plotly Express to generate the chart. Depending on what you selected, the app can create the bar chart, the line chart, the scatter plot, pies, or the horizontal bar charts using all just a few lines of code. Okay. Finally, we give the chart a dark background to it and a white font to make the visually appealing. The chart is then displayed using the st.plotly chart, and it is automatically feeds to your browser with. Okay. So to summarize, this app takes any raw data set and turns it into an interactive chart or interactive charts within just a few clicks. You don't need to write any code, or you don't need to have any coding knowledge. You don't need to know Python. You don't need to be a proficient in Excel or Power BI. So this is it. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to like this video and check out my GitHub repository here. Let me share my screen here. This is my GitHub repository. You can check the app here from this. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye.